One of the biggest reasons that I see people moving from GoodNotes to Noteful is because you can change the opacity of your images and make really cool designs in Noteful. So let me show you how to change your opacity and how to make the layout of your planner look even better by doing so. Now, I think one of the biggest reasons that people want to move to Noteful is because they have seen that they can make their images transparent. And a lot of people are doing this, especially in my Facebook group, and it's like, how do you do that? I want to know how to do that. And they think they're going to be able to do it in GoodNotes, but only Noteful has this option, and it is amazing. So let me show you what I mean. So a lot of people are taking these stickers and making them fit like a whole entire page, and then kind of like making them the background of a page. And it's super cool how they're doing it. So let me show you how. So what they're doing, they're taking a sticker like this, copying it, pasting it into their planner, and they're making it like really big. So what I'm gonna do is make this really big, make it like fill up this whole screen. And then I'm kind of gonna see where I wanna crop it at. I wanna crop it like right underneath this fourth big box down. So I'm gonna crop this about right there and hit done. And now this image is just filling this whole space. And now I want to make it like almost transparent. So I'm going to hit style, and I'm going to bring the opacity like way down, just like that. And then I'm going to send it to the back. And now I have like this image, like this plaid image, and it looks like it's like almost built into my planner, where these columns are meant to be plaid, and it looks so good. Everybody's doing this. I love how it's turning out. If you wanted more than one of these, like say you wanted it over here, you can duplicate it, move it over here, and then you're gonna move this one to the back. And then to get this one over here, you just duplicate it again. And then you would want to crop this down. So I'm going to delete, not delete, duplicate it, and then crop, not delete. And then you could just move this over to where I didn't pay attention how much I needed before I did this. Line it up right there. I need to cut like this much off. So I'm going to crop it again, cut like that much off. Cancel. This can be finicky, but we're gonna get it. Hit done and tab off. And now that whole area has like this transparent background. It looks so pretty. It's like it's almost like the planner was made to be like that. You're making it like look like it's built into the planner. And so that's how people are creating these transparent images and like making backgrounds of their planner. Now you could even do this for like the whole entire page. You didn't have to just do like in the boxed area. You could make this your whole entire page. And we could just pretend that this is cropped here. And like your whole entire page could be this plaid layout. So isn't that so cool, cute? It's so cool. This is one reason that a lot of people are moving to Noteful, to have this option. And this is how you do it, how you can make transparent images in Noteful and kind of turn them into the background of your planner.